I'm Dr. Cooper Dockery, board certified in internal medicine. I have been practicing medicine for about 27 years. Most of that time, I have practiced the traditional way, medication and medication, medication. However, despite all these fantastic drugs and great medicine, patients continue to die from their diseases or having complications, not because the drugs were not good, but we miss something very important. Many centuries ago, Hippocrates, the father of medicine, said, "Let food be your medicine, medicine be your food." So I have changed my emphasis several years ago using food as medicine. At Cooper Wellness Center, we have now established a whole nutrition project where we have healthy organic meals, healthy organic juices. I want to welcome Chef Edgar, Executive Chef. Why don't you walk onto the stage here, Chef? How are you doing, Chef? Good, good.
Hello, everybody.
Tell them what we're doing here at Cooper Wellness Center.
Here at Cooper Wellness Center, we're doing amazing things and we're seeing amazing results. We're doing our meal preps, organic, fresh, delicious, and we're doing our juices, raw, organic, and fresh.
Nothing added, no sugar added.
No sugars, no water, all fruits and vegetables.
All natural. And we have specially blended these juices for specific diseases. So we want to reach out to you today. If you're sick and tired of medication, if you're sick and tired of doing everything the doctor says, but you're still not well, then where should they come?
They should come to the Cooper Wellness Center. It's amazing. We're seeing results. We're seeing patients get rid of their pills. And why? They're trading in for a juice.
That's right. So if you're living in the Rio Grande Valley, then you can find us at 3604 North McCall Road. You can also find us online at cooperwellnesscenter.com. You can even order your meals online. And we have lots of packages.
A lot of packages. You have to take advantage of these packages. You want meals, you want juices, you want protein balls, you want snacks. They're here at the Cooper Wellness Center. Everything is organic, everything is fresh. You have to come and try them out.
And doctor approved.
Yes, they are.
Specially made by the chefs to listen. We're here to let you feel better and live a longer life. So don't hesitate to find us, to walk over. The chef will cook you up hot meals if you want to have hot meals. And we are also catering.
Yes, we are. We're catering. We have different foods that we can cater. If you have an event and say, you know what, I'm tired of this fatty food, call us, get ready, and we'll set up an appointment and we'll be there catering your event.
So let food be your medicine. See us here at Cooper Wellness Center.